Today, over 100 countries and regions are using DJI Agriculture drones. 300,000 pilots fly agriculture drones over 300 types of crops like corn, rice, durian, agave, avocado, and more. Agriculture drones have treated 500 million hectares of farmland worldwide. This means savings of 47,000 metric tons of chemical products, 210 million metric tons of water, equivalent to the annual water consumption of 390 million people, and a reduction of carbon emissions, equivalent to the carbon sequestration of 1.2 billion trees. Join DJI Agriculture as farming takes flight for better growth, better life. To learn more, download our annual report linked in the description.